Yeah, we got this day that we can be together. Yeah, first of all, Elia greets beloved YAHVAH personally in this in our meeting, and I greet YAHOSHUAH personally also. So glory be to both of them, and also great kiss for both of them. Yeah, we meet today. You are the representative of all the people in the Holy Kingdom, and it's you who came today, uh, who attends this declaration of Elia. So, what is the meaning of declaration? We're gonna say it after, but now let's listen to whatever will be said here. Yesterday, we have heard and we have known that Yahushua is coming. Yeah, people may say, isn't that already known in the Holy Scripture? You you know it, but you don't know how